What's up, everybody? Coming back at you with an updated video. As you know, in the last video, we sold our 2013 F250. That was my normal tow rig, and I've upgraded to that 2023 Denali Duramax. So I'm happy with that. Looking forward to pulling with it. And with that, got to modify it, right? So this is my Cognito Elite 4-inch lift kit. Just got that in the mail. It was packaged and shipped. Everything was nice and tight, squared away. Doesn't like any boxes were damaged en route. Comes with a real nice Elka shocks. Looking forward to seeing this stuff get installed. Aileron solution there. And here's the truck. I know it's dark out here tonight, but get the best visual on it that I can. But it's going up 4 inches. Got a different wheel and tire package that'll be here next week. But first thing tomorrow morning, it is going to Diversified Creations in Brighton. They're gonna do the install. As you all know, I typically do my own work, but this one I decided I'd leave to the professionals, so just get it knocked out that way. But here's the truck, totally enjoying it, and it's gonna look great with that lift on it. And I will keep you guys posted. I think the lift will be done by tomorrow night, if not Thursday morning, and give you another shot before and after pictures on the next one. So this is where we are, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.